Hey, what are you doing out here in the rain? We're gonna be late for camp. Come on! Hey, hi, how are you? It's Crystal again. Now that we're back inside, I can talk about why I did all that weirdness outside. You know, all 15 seconds or so. Some of you might know that November is National Write a Novel Month, where writers across the world get together to write 50,000 words. It's a lot of words in 30 days. So I'm turning around and I'm making a video to explain what Camp NaNoWRIMO is, because they do that twice a year. They do that in April and July. And this is the first time I've had the guts enough to sign up for it, because in the Camp NaNoWRIMOs, you can make your own goals. I don't have to do 50 words right away. I can do 20. Or 50 words. 50,000. Oh, if only a book was 50 words. That'd be nice. Anyway, I decided I was going to be a little bit weird. A little bit out there. A little bit myself. And since I had to go outside anyway, and it's only sprinkling, I do a really quick weird thing outside. That's alright. Camp is camp, right? And it's summer. Anyway, so my goal for July 2021, Camp NaNoWRIMO, is for 20,000 words by the end of the month for the first book in my fiction series. I hope I can do it. I think I can do it. This morning, before the whole house was awake, I wrote 1,055 words. But it's the first day of the month. And we're not going to be home for a couple days, and I'd already planned on that. And I don't write on Saturdays, and I planned for that too. And if you go over to HeartBreathings, she's got all kinds of things laid out for you. How you can plan writing, how you can plot your novel, etc., etc., etc. And she'll tell you right away, plot it for your real life. Not, oh, no matter if I work 15 hours today, I can still write 4,000 words. Yeah, you're going to burn out really quick. The way my goal laid out, because I have about 22 days over the course of the month where I have available to write. This means that, give or take 910 words for 22 days. And I'm going to make it. I'm going to blow it out of the water. If I write on a Saturday here or there because we're rained in or whatever, I'll blow it out of the water. If I end up writing an extra day that I didn't think I was going to write, we'll blow it out of the water. But if I miss a day, I can make it up. I've got time. And I'm not going to stress myself. Speaking of HeartBreathings, she's got a challenge going on right now called Don't Break the Chain. Write every day, or every day that you're allowing yourself to write, and set a goal for yourself. It doesn't count unless I write a paragraph, whatever you want it to be. Go check her out, she's pretty cool. And if you want to know more about Camp NaNoWRIMO, plug it in, although I'll leave my link in the description just in case you guys want to be buddies on there. If you're doing a Camp NaNoWRIMO, let me know what your project is. Or anything else exciting going on in your life. Have a great one, guys. Bye.